Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces Queen. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I bought my husband and what I bought myself in case my kids didn't give me anything for Christmas. Excuse all that noise. I have a child that just can't be left, can't leave the living room.
Actually, I was already done.
So this is what I bought my husband, okay? I bought him things that he needs, not that he wants. I don't know what he wants. But I bought him some t-shirts. His favorite colors to wear are gray. So he's got gray, blue, and whites. He probably not wear that white one, but I got 2 bags of those. And I got him some, I think these are, I guess I will open these up.
God. So dirty.
Oh, I got him some sweats.
He's damaged.
Clinton, why don't I just tell you about that noise?
Sorry. You know, I'm looking at. He's so dirty. I'll be right back.
Don't come back. I bought him some sweats because he liked to wear sweats around the house. So I bought him a couple of sweats. They're all black, but they have like a silver like color lining. So got him a whole bunch of these. Like I think it's like 4 or 3 in a pack. I think I got these from Amazon. I will put all the things I got in the description box below. I got him an XL. I don't know why, because he could fit a large, but you know, he's a man. I got him some more t-shirts, but these shirts are like red, green, and blue. I just want to give him a different pack of shirts. He probably not wear these. Only to wear them under his shirt. So, you got something you want to say, James?
No. Why would I want to say?
I feel like you got something you want to say.
Why would I? Why would I want to say something? Why would I want to say something?
I don't know. You know how you Aries are. I got something to say. Alright, so these are some silk long sleeve shirts that he could wear like now under his clothes. And I believe I got this in the large. Maybe I got in the XL. In the XL, yeah. I got these in the XL so he can wear his work shirts over it and he could be comfortable. So they come in different colors. I'm sure he'll wear those because he got those already. And one thing I bought him that he don't need, but I know he likes to wear these little bracelets. He used to wear watches, but now that he got a smartwatch, he don't buy watches anymore. So I got him these little bracelets, rope bracelets. He liked these. What was that?
Oh my God.
Yeah. So you can wear this when we go out or whatever. And another thing I got him is a lot of socks. Things that he needs. Nothing that he wants. Because he has everything. Like, what do you buy a man that has almost everything? I don't know. You just buy him the stuff that you think he needs. So he got some socks.
Okay, now let's turn this sideways.
I think these are like the gold toe stander socks. Hopefully these not the ones that's tied around the ankle. They look like they are. He probably not wear those a lot. Okay, another thing I got him was some underwear. Which they are the Reebok. I got him a lot of these. He got, a lot, 2 boxes. And I believe that 3 come in a box. So that's 6. And the last thing I got him, I got him another bracelet too. It's a single one. Actually, I had bought him some silk pants. What happened to those? Let me see if I got those silk pants somewhere. Yeah, these are like, this bracelet is more, it got his name on it. Well, it got this letter on it. That means his son gonna probably try to steal it.
Huh?
Because it has J on it. Get your hands.
Let me see.
Can,
I want to see.
can I get it out the bag? Wait, I'm trying the camera
Let me
first.
see.
Let me try the camera first.
Let me take a look at it.
I'm trying the camera first. I'm dead upside down. Let me try to steal it, James. It's not for you. It's for Daddy.
Okay, here you go. I want it.
So this is how the bracelet look. The J is on all sides.
I don't want that. It'll probably be cooler if it was not. If it wasn't made with this two different braid thing.
Okay, well,
I mean, you gotta take it off. You can.
You're gonna hatch it.
Yeah, I don't want to break it. I want to figure it out.
Okay. I thought I got him some silk pants, but I can't find them.
There you go.
Oh, it comes a piece. So he can open it and put it on his arm. You can just slide it this way. Alright, I know that's cool.
Oh, dang it.
You can wear when we go out and stuff. We just went out.
Oh, wait. I thought I could take a piece. That's not how it goes together.
Still it already. We just
No.
talked about this. We just talked about this. Oh, these are
If it was made out of it all the way in a circle, I would have taken it. I would have taken it.
So I also got him some gym shorts. Got a pack of those. You want some gym shorts?
No, I'm waiting.
For what?
You?
You started talking.
Actually, let me go.
Okay, so I also got him some pajama pants, some silk ones. I should have bought me some of these too. I like the way silk feels when I'm going to sleep. I don't wear pants because it's too long. I wear my shorts. But yeah, I got him some pajama pants and silk.
Pajama pants.
They got red and gray also. And I bought this in the size XL.
This feels so uncomfortable.
You think it's uncomfortable till you lay in it. So comfortable.
I like pants that are slightly bigger than me. That's why I like this. What I consider comfortable.
Well, these are bigger than your dad. I don't know why we need an XL, but we bought it.
Because bigger is better. Sometimes when you're
And
wearing.
the last thing I bought him.
Let's see what this is. I'm kind of curious.
He just takes over.
Oh. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, here you go.
The last thing I got him was. Why did you have me all in the camera like that? I don't want to be seen.
Your background's not working.
Oh my god, you're killing me. Well, while James fixed the back, I don't know why it's buffering. This is the last thing I bought my husband, was just some house shoes. I think I got these from Amazon too. Oh no, I got these from Walmart. So I bought these, and this is a size, I don't know what size this is. I know it's a size 12, it's a bigger size, so I got him these. Pretty nice. I mean, I wouldn't wear them, but he could just slide his foot into it, and hopefully he don't go outside and wear these. They're not for outside. They're for the house. That's why they call house shoes. All right, so let's see what I bought myself because, you know. Sorry, I don't know that one.
Shut up.
Okay, so the first thing I bought myself was this wig. Whoa! I don't know which one this is, but I bought like, I think 2. I bought 2 wigs. What?
No, something like this big.
Let's see which one this is.
Okay, I think it's going from his side now.
Okay, yeah, this is the one that's like different colors. The orange and black hair.
The camera hasn't melted yet. Yes,
What camera?
The guy that's literally live doing it right now.
And it came with the hairband, a little thing to tie your hair down when you know, put your wig on. It comes with a little decoration, little headband. I got this already. And it came with a wig cap. I forgot how much I paid for it, but I will put that below in the description box or on the screen. Okay, so that's one wig. Another thing I bought myself was some more headbands to go on when I'm putting my wigs on to hold it down and make it a smooth transition. So I bought these. I think I bought two. This comes with a pack of 4. Hunter, where you at? Alright, so this is the other wig. This is like my hair type of wig. I bought the hair that matches my hair. I buy one like every year because you know the not the lace but the yeah, the lace start to get like less of hair, like the hair start to come out the lace, so it's like thinning. So I always buy a wig that matches my own hair. So this is this kinky straight, and it is in 26. As if my hair was really this long. I wish it's not. I'm not done yet. And it came with a stocking cap as well. They always come with one. And it also came with these lovely lashes that I probably won't wear because they're way too long. Way too long. And I will put this also in the description box. Or on the screen. I know for sure I'll put it in the screen, but the description box, I always forget to do that. Alright. And, oh, okay, I guess I bought 3 wigs. There's another wig right here. Let's see what this one is. 30-inch lace, pre-pluck. I don't remember buying this. So I don't know what it looked like. And I just bought this stuff like 2 days ago. I was trying to, oh yeah. This is a all black wig. I've never worn, that I remember, an all black straight wig. So this is all black. I really can't wait to wear it. And it is 30 inches. I believe it was on sale. That's why I got the longest one. It was probably under $100. And it came with a stocking cap and also some lashes. Those are pretty cute. Is this in the bag? Okay, I bought me some stocking caps, of course. More stocking caps. Could never have too many. And I bought me some chargers because I have like 5 phones. So I bought 2 packs of chargers, so I have 4. And that's all I bought me for now. I think I'm going to buy me some more stuff, but I don't know yet. I'm not going to buy no more wigs, though, because I'm done with that. And I think that... I can't find those other ones. Alright, well, I can't find my other headbands I bought. It was some silver ones. If I find them, I will take a picture of it and put it in the pictures. Well, I only got 100 pictures, but yeah. Oh wait, I bought one more thing. Here they are. I bought one more thing, and I bought it for my queen, which is my truck. If you don't know, I used to have lights on my wheels, but somehow my husband broke one of them, so I bought me some replacement rim lights. I'm so excited. I can't wait till he put these on. Which will probably be, on Christmas, maybe. I don't know. I don't see what he's doing. Have him working on Christmas? I mean, I could just ask. But this is how that looks. I'm so excited. I can't wait to put these on. I can't wait till he put them on. I wish you could just snap them on. I would just do that. But anyways, you guys, that is the end of my video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Look at it buffing in the background. That's not my background. Why is it buffering?
I started it over to see if it's
I tried to make this a very good video, but the TV not big enough, first of all. It's not big enough to get my background. I'm going to have to zoom in or something. What? I'm about to fix it. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you are new here, thank you guys for clicking on my video. Thank you for watching it all the way through. If you did, I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not already subscribed, now I want to work. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, then you already know that you are the real MVP. And Merry Christmas to everyone. Bye.